Yeah, Akshay.
Uh, Supriya came. Yeah, Supriya
Yes,
came.
yes, yes. Hi, Supriya. How are you?
Just start.
Okay, let's start.
Read our
Let's
personal
start.
goals. Yeah. Read our personal goals
Mhm.
with belief.
Just read and it to be a very a time framed manner and also think
Yeah.
about like if you don't achieve in this given period of time, then what will be the consequence and all. So just think about that one
Yes.
and
Pros and cons.
yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes. Whenever we touch it right in the schools and also
Yeah.
our emotions and should be pure, so belief comes automatically. Yes.
Yeah. So let's visualize that part.
Yes, yes. Take deep breath and visualize for something. And think about everything is in front of you and you have achieved all those things, whatever you have set. Just believe is
Everything,
needed for yourself. Yes,
everything is happening in present.
yes. Just fast forward your life from now to future. Everything in front of you. Just believe on that. Everything happens right time, right moment. But need to be believe on the process. The main important thing is believe. Believe yourself and believe your actions. Whatever you're taking towards success.
Take a deep long breath and
Yes.
breathe. Breathe deep.
Read it properly with adding some emotions and feel, and if you feel like yes, you have achieved all those things. And also in the second part also, like if you don't achieve this one, then why? Find the root cause of that and do the actions about it. Definitely it will be there.
It will come with
Yeah.
if we keep what consistent and keep being daily practices.
Yes, yes, yes. Automatically come.
Till and
Yeah. Close your eyes for some time and visualize about everything you have. Fast forward your life from now to future. think about after 20 years what you are, what you have. Just believe on yourself. Believe on the process. Always smile. Always be a smile on your face. You have everything. Let's come back normal. Hey, bro, come back, come back. I know you are. You never come back if you visualize something.
No, no.
Just come back.
Yeah. अरे every goal system का इसको मजाक करके मैं
Yes, yes, yes. Every day, but you also, whenever you go somewhere for visualization or something, so you never come back, right?
yeah.
Hey, Vishaka. Hey, Anand. Yes. So, what is the next thing?
Fun goals.
Yeah,
Fun goals.
very fun.
You always travel anywhere, na?
Yes, yes. In my place there are a lot of good places, there are I mean mountains are there, falls are there, uh,
Ah,
waterfalls, very big waterfalls are also there. So whenever I feel free I go there and enjoy with friends. So last time also I went with friends, so it was a good places in surroundings. So yet that nature
after
comes automatically and fresh
yeah,
yes, yeah.
after went there, some freshness come to body and mind.
Yes, of course, yes. So whenever I mean, go to the nature, right? So it gives us pure air, right? And it gives
Yeah,
us very enjoyment also we can get whenever we go inside. And waterfall, water is coming from the top to bottom. And if you go inside, you will enjoy like anything. So I want to live life like fullest. Whatever we have, we should have, enjoy like anything.
yeah. Fun
So
goals are very
what is
fun.
your definition of fun?
Fun is nothing but what we we if we do something, okay, and we are getting back the happiness and satisfaction. That is the fun.
Yeah, great. Whenever you do something, if you get satisfaction, yeah, it's fun. And you should enjoy the work, right? And whatever you do, you just get kick from it. So if you
Yeah,
get kick, no, so yeah, you will enjoy every moment of your life, actually.
yeah.
Yeah, so
And the memories we can't forget that.
yeah,
Actually, my fun goals are very big.
yeah, definitely it will happen.
Yeah.
what see we have only one life, right?
Yeah,
So we should enjoy like every moment of your life, of our life, and we should think like we have only one life, so live life fullest and never regret anything, right? If you, yeah, and you should not think like after 20 years you didn't do this, you didn't do this. So after 20 years it should not be like that, and we should not regret like we don't have we didn't achieve this one, we didn't achieve that one, so
yeah.
like that. So you
After
have to
time pass,
enjoy like everything. Yes.
after time pass, then means after some days or some years, regret will come. If I did this, then it should be good for means
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
do whatever in present moment.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Live in the present moment, live everything in the present but with fullest.
Yeah. So let's visualize the fun.
Yeah. Let's visualize one moment, like we are in the beach, right? And the very good sounds are coming, and we are going inside, and the water is flowing like anything from here to there, from here to there, and we also flowing with water, right? Sea water. One time we are coming
But I
from
don't know
this side,
swim.
and one time that side. So see the
But I
momentum. Yeah.
but I can I cannot swim. Okay.
No, you can see you cannot swim, but the water is flowing like this side, that side. So with water you are flowing.
Yeah.
So let's yeah, and you are enjoying the time there. You have lot of friends there. You are enjoying like fullest with full music. Yeah.
Just visualize we what the skydiving. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Skydiving. Yeah. We jump
Okay,
from
let's
the
go to the forest. Let's go to the mountain, big mountain, and from there we are
yeah
just
we jump.
jumping.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah, wow. With fears, starting fears, but after that we have joy.
yeah, we are flying like birds.
Yes, yes, yes. Flying like birds, flying like kites. Wow.
Let's come now.
Yes, yes, yes. Let's come to normal position with Akshay.
Next one is giving back.
Yes. And this also important, right? And we should give to something to someone, right? Uh, ours, our life is only one, and we should not regret, right? And we have to think about
If
the poor people also.
yeah, if we don't have anything, suppose no money, no food, but
Yeah,
then also we can contribute to others with
correct,
smile, with talk.
correct, correct.
There are there are people say that I don't have. Arey, you can. You can talk them, you smile them, uh, you can do anything, but they say no, I don't have.
Yeah, with the
So that's
amount
what.
of peace and amount of happiness, happy, if you give, return it back, right? So it is also a one type of contribution, right? And the people will think like, yes, if someone is giving me this happy, I mean, if providing me happy, it is also a contribution, one type of contribution, right?
No,
And if you're
uh,
thinking like, suppose you are going to the road, right? And if you see something is there in the road, right? Maybe some big stones. That stones also you can take it from this side to other side. You can put it, right? So that is also a one type of contribution, right? And you can whatever the wastage are there, that can you can I mean you can put from here to there. So that is also a one type things, right? So yeah, we have to think like that, and we should not and also one more thing, we should always have like down to earth, right? And we should think like that.
God, God give hand to God give us hand to take to no no God give hand to give others. Okay,
Yeah.
means something giving back to the society. Okay, not from takers. Means we are not from takers. So always give something to others.
Yes, yes. Don't become takers, always be givers.
Yeah.
So be in the category like, yes. Don't be takers, just be givers. Yeah, that's a good quote actually. So today this will come, right?
What?
Don't be takers and be like givers with
Yeah.
Akshay Akre. Yeah, you did very good, man. How, I mean, you are editing those quotes? Any
Actually,
software you are using?
yeah, Canva,
Canva.
CANVA.
Okay. Okay.
There are actually 6 lakh or above templates are there already templates. I just edit there. Means I edit the text which I
Yeah.
write. Yeah,
Yeah, that is very good actually, and whenever we see like it attracts more to us to see
yeah,
what is this, what is the content, like your name also in the downside, and that main content
yeah.
if you are providing in between, so that is more attractive actually. Keep
Yes.
growing.
Actually, one day I'm trying to edit some work with that codes only, and I found means my one friend suggest me use that application, and yeah, it's very nice. And every day I am editing from this application only.
Yeah, and I saw you are enjoying your things, right? And whatever you are doing, you are just putting your videos in front of, the lap of earth, and then
Yeah.
green
Actually,
grasses. Your
what
backside
happened?
always greenery. That is also a good, very good place. I saw.
No, actually, what happened? Uh, there is one reason behind it. Okay, so in my house, means uh, everyone means someone comes to my house every time. Okay, and so much crowd is there, noise come to. If I am recording here now in home, then so
Yes.
much crowd will come. That's why I went to come and record it there.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, but also the background, if you are getting now, that is very awesome, right? That is
Yeah.
awesome background. Yes.
Okay. Okay. We'll meet tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah. No one is thinking.
I think. Okay.
So
So
okay.
Akshay,
Anyways, yeah.
new day with new day, new fun, new
Yeah.
achievement, new things.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
So
okay. Very best of luck. Yeah,
what about today's plan?
yeah. We'll
Today's
discuss.
shift.
We'll discuss. We'll discuss.
Yeah. Yeah.
We'll discuss. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Enjoy your day, whole day. Bye bye. Thanks for your time, Akshay.